confidence illusion. Why uncertainty makes you sound more credible. Have you ever noticed how some people naturally command respect and influence while others go unheard? The difference is simple. Step 1, the foundation, understanding the core principle behind this concept. Step 2, the application, how to practically apply this in your daily life. Step 3, the psychology, why this works on a human psychology level. Step 4, common mistakes, the pitfalls most people fall into when trying this. Step 5, your next step, how to start implementing this today for immediate results. Master this principle and watch how people respond to you differently. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on communication, influence, and professional excellence.